The U.S. State Department is reporting that Jamaica remains the largest Caribbean supplier of ganja to the United States. Jamaica is also considered a significant transit point for cocaine trafficked from South America to North America and other international markets. In its latest International Narcotics Control Strategy report, the U.S. State Department says traffickers also export Jamaican-grown ganja to other Caribbean countries in return for illicit firearms and other contraband. It says Jamaica's geographic position in the Western Caribbean and its difficult to patrol coastline, high volume of tourist travel, and status as a major containerized cargo transshipment hub contribute to its use for drug trafficking via commercial shipping, small watercraft, air freight, human couriers, and private aircraft. The report further states that the Jamaican authorities, supported by the U.S. government, increased the frequency of land-based cocaine seizures in 2017 and made significant investments in capabilities to detect and interdict maritime trafficking.